I am on a new journey that I would love for you all to follow me on here, and I'm going to document it on TikTok and every social media platform that I can think of. But I am the newest employee of the Office of the Prosecutor Coordinator for the state of Arkansas, and I am going to be involved in the Paws for Justice program. And in this program, we take facility dogs into court with people who are vulnerable children, vulnerable adults, who have been through some very, very hard things that they are in court for, sexual abuse, all kinds of just terrible, terrible things. But I'm wanting you all to just follow this along, and it's going to be really a cool thing. This program is through Canine Companions, and I will be going with my secondary handler to Irving, Texas, and we will do a face-to-face interview, and then we will go back and do a 2-week training where the animals that they have there that have been trained, they'll be 2 years old, so they'll kind of probably know more than we will know at the time. But they basically, the animal who we bond with will sort of in a way pick us. So it doesn't have much to do with whichever dog we want or whichever we feel like that we need. The animal basically picks us. I guess that's the best way to say it. But to be able to bring that back to our state and work with children and vulnerable people and help them feel more comfortable in court when they are face to face with a perpetrator who has done just horrible things to them is going to be just a blessing. And to be able to help people all over this state, I just can't explain how blessed I feel to be able to be part of this program. So I want you all to follow me on this journey, and hopefully soon, hopefully by the end of the year, I will be introducing to you the 3rd facility dog in the state of Arkansas. So just bear with me and welcome aboard, and let's do this thing. I love you guys. I'll be updating a lot, so we'll see what happens. I'm excited. Love you. I kind of failed to mention that right now in the state of Arkansas, there technically is only one facility dog, and her name is Barb. And I believe she has a TikTok page, and I think it is called Courthouse Barb, and it's here on TikTok. And also on Facebook, you can look her up, Arkansas's first courthouse dog. It is amazing the things that she has done in the past 8 years. I was a legislator back in 2015, and I was the one that was blessed to pass this bill. So I've kind of been watching this program for the past 8 years. Barb has been the facility dog for 6 years, and they have done so many great things with kids and with the communities, and she's been in court and helped children get through the court process. And you know, the main reason for these animals in court is because children are afraid a lot of the times when they're in court. They probably have never seen their perpetrator until they face them in court. And the way that the law is written, the dog is placed underneath the witness desk. So when a jury is brought in, generally they never know that the facility animal is in there with the child. And part of my job and part of Susan and Fawn, the other 2 ladies who are working with us right now, along with their secondary handlers, what they do is they work with the kids, and I will be working with the kids as well, to develop a relationship with the child and the animal. So it's just so wonderful. This program has been so great. I'm not going to talk about different cases, but one that I'm thinking of right off the top of my head, a really, really bad guy hurt a child, and he ended up getting many, many years in prison. And before that, the child would not talk, but the animal was brought in and she bonded with the animal. And then the child, she told everything that happened, and it made all the difference in the world. And the jury never knew the animal was there. So I just want to throw out there, if you guys have questions, I would love to answer questions about this. And like I said, I'll be taking you guys along on this entire journey. So hit me up if you have any questions, and I will do my best to answer them. Again, love you guys. Thanks for your support.